Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Secrets Playa Mujeres Beach Resort. Now this category is a junior suite, which is their entry level, but this is an ocean view. So it's a little bit up from the garden view, but basically the same room layout. So follow me as we show you the room. So right over here to the left as you come in, you've got this great little pass-through. I really love it and appreciate that because one of the negatives, if there is any with room service, is having to get dressed, come over to the door, let somebody in, all of that. It's great because they just put it right there, whether you want your coffee there in the morning or whether you want to order room service and have it ready for you when you're ready. As you continue in, right here, you've got your Nespresso maker, got a bottle opener right there, and that goes along with your mini bar. It's stocked ahead of time, and then you can have it replenished as often as you like. And then, of course, you could get more Nespresso as well and different flavors if you're interested. Right here, you've got a little bit of luggage storage, and to my right, you've got the bathroom. Toilet immediately to the right as you walk in, and then here is the shower. You've got this great rainforest shower head. You've got the shower wand. I love that they have the little bench seat there. Put your leg up to shave, or if you want to sit and soak, and it's big enough for me. And as you continue along, you've got this great double vanity. I know my wife and I really appreciate having two of them at home, and here as well is a really great touch. You've got the magnifying mirror right there, a couple plugs. And then right here, you've got this great jacuzzi soaking tub. And one little signature that you'll always have at Secrets is the incense right there. I love that. In fact, when I lit the incense on this trip, it brought me right back to my honeymoon 12 years ago because this is their signature scent, but it's just a nice little touch that they have. In addition, you're also gonna have a hair dryer in every single category. So just to my left is all of the storage that you're gonna have here. You've got storage up above. You also have hanging storage throughout. You've got an ironing board down there, and then of course you'll have robes as well. Right here, you've got your safe, big enough for a tablet or a small laptop, and then drawers underneath. Right here is all of your glasses and some of the cutlery. That goes along with the Nespresso maker just over on the other side. Continuing on in, you've got your full king-size bed here. You've got a beautiful canopy up above. I love that they have the little rugs next to the bed, so when you step in and out of bed, you're stepping on those instead of the floor. I did want to point out a unique feature that the do not disturb and makeup room is right here next to the bed. It makes a lot of sense because it's something that you usually put on before you go to bed in the evening. But if you're running out the door, you got to remember just this is the spot where it is. You also have some light controls, your nice reading light here so that you don't have to disturb your partner, your lamp. But one thing I wanted to point out is there are no plugs on this side, USB or US plugs. So you're going to want to bring an extra battery backup so that you can use that throughout the stay, maybe charge it during the day and use it to charge your phone in the evening. So as we continue along to the other side of the bed, you've got a rug on this side as well. You've got your remote control, your phone. Right there, you do have one USB, no plugs on this side. So once again, I bring that extra battery backup. You do have your light controls over here. And one thing that I think is a great touch is that you have your temperature controls right there next to the bed. I know getting in bed in the evening, or maybe you wake up and you want to turn it down a few degrees, that's a great touch. Over here, you have your writing desk, a little lamp, and some plugs. The second phone, that one's actually a cordless one. But one feature that I love here, I wanted to point out, is this tablet. So you're gonna have this in every single room, and it's basically replaced the program because you can get up-to-date information on the program, different tour options even, spa, dining. I love that you can check the menus on here. But the best feature is you can actually use this to order room service. So basically, you don't have to call anybody, you don't have to get up out of bed to go get it. You type in your order here, you send it, they're gonna deliver it right there. You'll know when it's ready, and you can utilize that. So I just love it, it's a great little touch that they have. And then of course, you can use this anywhere in the room with you. As we continue on in, you've got your sofa here, perfect for two people. You've got an ottoman, you can put your feet up, also great for a room service tray. I love having a fan, I really do love having the air circulating, so that's a great touch that they have in here. You also have a small table, so maybe you want to have your breakfast here or coffee. You've got two chairs, and also you've got your lights and dimmers here as well. So now I'm headed out onto the balcony. I do love the touch that in addition to the doors that open, they also have this screen. So you can shut the screen, turn on the fan, and have a nice little breeze and air moving throughout. Out here, you've got your table and two chairs with this beautiful ocean view. Now, like with any all-inclusive resort, you've got different kinds of ocean views, but basically what it means is that, like this, you can see the ocean from the balcony when you're standing looking straight out. Now, this is the perfect spot to have a cocktail, coffee in the morning, but really what it's all about is that little bit of private space for just those in the room. So when you're ready to book this beautiful junior suite here at Secrets Playa Mujeres or any suite at any Secrets or AM Resorts property, reach out to Harr Travel. We have a phenomenal relationship with them. We know the ins and outs of the products, and we know that we can help you choose the perfect one for you and create the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, and your family at an incredible value.